In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Semrush support, whether you're running into an issue, need some guidance, or just have a question. Reaching out to support can provide the help you need efficiently. Here's how you can do it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, simply head over to your search engine and type in Semrush. This is the easiest way to navigate to their official website if you don't have the URL bookmarked already. Go ahead and click on the link to the Semrush site to get started. Now that you're on the website, the next step is to either log in with your existing account details or, if you're new to Semrush, sign up for an account. It's important to be logged in to fully access the support features Semrush offers, as they tailor their assistance to your specific needs and tools you're using. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Semrush dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your account and its various functionalities. What you need to do next is to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. It might feel natural to look for a prominent support button at the top, but often it's tucked away at the bottom, so don't miss this step. At the bottom, you should spot a Contact Us option. It might be styled a bit differently depending on any recent changes to the layout, but it's typically easy to find once you're on the right page. Click on it to proceed. This link is your gateway to the different support options Semrush provides. Once you click on Contact Us, you'll be presented with a few different choices tailor-made for different types of support inquiries. If you need personalized help, you can request a session with a Semrush expert who can offer detailed advice. This option is particularly useful for technical assistance or more complex queries. Alternatively, if your question is related to purchasing or upgrading your plan, reaching out to sales is an available option. For self-help guides and articles, you might head over to the Help Center, which is an invaluable resource for finding answers on your own. Finally, for direct assistance from their support team, you can send a message. This is often the quickest way to get a response, especially for general inquiries or issues with your account. Just click the option, fill out the necessary details, and hit send. There you have it. Simple steps to ensure you get the help you need from Semrush support. This process takes just a few minutes, but can save you a lot of time and hassle later on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Semrush even smoother.